What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I want to talk about the Pixel 6 Pro specifically. Now this feature that I'm going to be talking about is available on Pixel 6, but I think it's an underrated feature that debuted with Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. It was marketed quite a bit, but I think for many it kind of dwindled down quite a bit, but not for me. I really enjoy this feature, and I think it's personally underrated. You may agree, you may disagree, but this is a really cool feature of Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, and that is going to be Magic Eraser. And I kind of want to show you Magic Eraser and how I've used it, a couple ways I've used it. But before I do begin, I just want to address something. So you see the wallpaper here. I've been seeing a lot of comments on my videos asking me where I get my wallpapers from, or can you send me the link to your wallpaper? I use an app called Backdrops. This is available on both the Google Play Store as well as the App Store on iOS, and you can use it for your iPad as well. But that's really where I get all of my wallpapers that you see in each and every one of my videos. The app called Backdrops. You may have heard of it, you may have not. I pretty much just use wallpaper of the day, but I kind of do browse and switch up my wallpapers almost every day or every other day. But that's where I get my wallpapers. Anyway, let's dive right in and talk about Magic Eraser. Okay, so essentially Magic Eraser is really simple. You're gonna go to camera, and then you're just going to kind of take a picture. And I'm gonna take a picture of, let's do the Pixel Buds, let's do the ESR cloth right here, cleaning cloth, and then let's just grab, oh man, where did my pencil go? Let's just grab my pencil right here, my mechanical pencil. There we go. So I'm just going to take a picture of all three. And it depends on, it doesn't work 100% all the time. Like, you may not like the results sometimes, but here we took a picture, and I'm going to show you guys another sample of how I use a Magic Eraser and how I make use of it. So if you go to Edit, and then you're going to go to Tools, it'll show as Magic Eraser, and sometimes it'll find a suggestion. It'll kind of automatically choose. It may not. It may. Depends on the picture of whatever you took. If you took a picture of a bunch of people and you want to kind of clean it up, and it might find that. But here, it looks like it didn't. So I can circle or brush. You can obviously zoom in as well. And that's kind of what I do too. I zoom in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the pencil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of brush over it. And what it did is I brushed a little bit over the pencil, if you noticed, and it kind of, I went over, but it took just the pencil. Like, it was able to find, and that's kind of, it's getting the power from the Google Tensor chip, which is great that Google is working with both hardware and software, but it was able to identify that I want to get rid of that pencil. Now, if you kind of zoom out, just at a quick glance, it looks like there was nothing there, right? I mean, obviously, if you look really closely, then yeah, you're gonna kind of see this black line right here, which I can also get rid of. Oh, let's just do, we don't wanna get rid of the cloth, we wanna get rid of this line. There we go. Now, if you look at the image on screen right now, it looks like there's nothing there. But in reality, if you kind of zoom in, there really is something missing there, and that's what I like about Magic Eraser. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys another example of how I use Magic Eraser, and you might have noticed in a thumbnail of mine recently of how I use Magic Eraser. So let's go take a look. Okay, so Pixel 6 Pro, I'm going to be taking another picture, and this one's going to be of the Sony A7. I just picked up this camera for the channel, and hopefully from this point on, more of my thumbnails and my B-roll will be shot with the Sony A7 III. And if you notice, down here is my first DSLR, and this is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. It's got me really far. I got this when I had 2,000 subscribers, give or take 2,000, and it really helped me out a lot for the channel. So I'm super happy about that, and I'll continue to use that camera as well. But Sony A7, I want to start off 2022 and get things right for the channel. So I can't wait to see what happens this year. Anyway, I've been talking too much. Let's get on. So let's go to camera, and I'm going to be taking just a quick picture of the Sony A7. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take out this bar right here in the back. So I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to go to crop or tools, and I'm going to go circle or brush to erase. I'm going to zoom in just so I can get a good hold of what I want to erase. Let's erase that bar. And it did a decent job. I'm going to go through it one more time. And then I'm going to get this small. This is the cord for the lamp. And I'm going to have to zoom in just a little bit more. If you notice, it's really grainy here. But I'm just going to get a little bit more of that. Just a little bit more. There we go. And, you know, let's keep those there. Let's keep those bars there for now. So let's click, or let's just wipe this one more time. See what it does. Oh, that doesn't look too good. All right, so I'm gonna click done. And at times it'll work, at times it won't. So let's do save copy. There we go. So if I do zoom in, you're gonna see that there's definitely something erased here, but just at a quick glance, doesn't look too bad. And that's really what I like Magic Eraser for, and hopefully they improve this with, Google improves this with the Pixel 6a and the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. I think this is a really nice feature. It's really easy to use as well. All right, and I also do want to show you guys that you can use Magic Eraser for past photos. So let's get back to the desk. Okay, and now I have an older photo. This is actually a photo from late 2016, so almost 6 years old, and you can erase stuff from older photos. So let's go edit, and I'll be putting up, just as you can tell, this is what the image looks like before. And now let's go to the image, Magic Eraser, and it didn't find any, I found a couple suggestions. So I will erase those suggestions, erase all, awesome. And what I want to do is I want to, oh man, let's erase this small tower right here. There we go. And then we just zoom out, and it looks like as if nothing is there. I do want to erase one more. Let's erase this blue car right here. Just erase a little bit more of it. There we go. So let's save the copy. Okay, so just at a glance, you can notice that there's really nothing missing. But if you do zoom in, you can obviously tell like that car specifically is missing, but just at a glance, it looks fine. It looks great if you ask me. But that's really Magic Eraser. You can use it on photos you currently take or on older photos as well, and I think this is an underrated feature. So if you have Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, don't forget about this feature. Anyway, everybody, that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, like I said, be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the YouTube channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.